Good morning, everyone. Every year on 15 August, Independence Day is celebrated as a national holiday in India. When people remember the long process of our national from British rule on 15 August 1947, India gained independence after a series of movements in which many freedom fighters sacrificed their lives. After independence on 15 August 1947, Jawaharlal Nehru became the first Indian Prime Minister to raise the national flag at the Red Fort near the New Lahore Gate. By unfurling the national anthem and singing, the students, teachers, parents and others come together to Independence Day. The Indian Prime Minister to raise the national flag, New Delhi Lahore Gate. After the 21 gun soldiers, flowers, steady cooler and the flag. Jai Hind.